Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, this is Solon, and thank you for tuning into my channel, American Yard Sale. And today I am with my sister, Kathy. Say hey, Kathy.
Hello.
And we are headed up to do a 121 mile long yard sale that starts in Moulton, Alabama, and goes all the way up through Tennessee. So we're going to into Kentucky. So it's even further up than I thought. But we're going to see what kind of deals we can find, so stay tuned. And if you like this type of video, please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, I picked up my other sister, Regina, and we are headed out. Before we do, though, we're going to stop and grab some breakfast.
Yum.
Okay, we're going to whip in here at Jack's and get us some biscuits and gravy.
It does exist. Kathy, what do you want?
I don't know yet. What are you going to get?
I'm going to get
The order?
just a moment, please.
5 minutes later. Many hours later.
I guess give me a double not a double, a single.
Okay.
3 days later.
Okay, I need one single gravy biscuit. I need one double gravy biscuit.
75 years later.
Yummy. Good Southern style gravy and biscuit. Not good for you, but sure does taste good.
They look like they got a lot of clothes.
Yeah.
That one. Alright, let's see how far we are up to. We got motorcycles even in that one. Y'all see anything you want to get out and look?
Oh, might as well get out in here. The good stuff is always hid.
There's some little cars.
Okay, at that first yard sale, I didn't videotape. There was an elderly woman there, so I didn't want to make her feel uncomfortable. But I picked up these casino chips for a dollar. She wanted $2 for them, and I got it for $1. There are 5 of them in there. And the other item I picked up was this Indiana Metalcraft black gold brass belt buckle. And she wanted 6 for it, but I got it for 5.
Over here.
There's a lot of tents over here.
That's a big wide area there full of stuff.
Right over there.
Yep, there's some
Look at
skulls.
those ones.
This spot looked like it might have.
Man, you could probably park right here and just shop all day.
Yeah.
You're out there in North 101.
I think it's a voting box.
Candle.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Let's say, hey, wait a minute, why didn't you do that story? Okay guys, this is where I have to stop the video and kind of let you know about this item right here. This gentleman had about 150 vintage sports magazines from about the mid 1960s starting to probably the late 1990s, early 2000s. He said there's around 150 magazines in this box. He wanted $10 for the box. I bought the box, and as soon as I got in the car, started looking up some of the issues, and most of them were selling anywhere from $15 to $25 a piece. So it was an incredible find. I still got to go through them. In fact, I'll probably have a video on this one box of magazines so you can kind of see what all was in there by itself. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, it was a really good find, and this is what I paid, and this is what I believe the retail value to be once all the magazines are sold, which may take a couple of years, but just a great investment return.
There's a bunch of old stuff right through there. They have this once a year. It's the only time they ever have it.
That's pretty amazing. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, subscribe, and share.